Well, didn't we always dream about being a police officer as a kid? Oh yes. Welcome back. It is Need for Speed Hot Pursuit. This is the remastered version on PS4. We've already completed quite a few races, but we'll do a couple of police, a couple of racers, and yeah, see if we can be the ace cop. This is definitely a good take on Police Academy. Obviously, this is better than the films. But anyway, rapid response. Oh, let's have a look. Probably want the fastest car here, which seems to be... Oh, what have we got? 183 miles an hour. The Cameron's only 171. Oh, I mean, the Shelby's quite quick, and it's the quickest 0 to 60. So I think we should have that. And let's go. Remember, I think it was the Nintendo Wii, they had Need for Speed Undercover, and that was a game that I played a hell of a lot because you could do police missions as well as just crash into police and do pursuits and stuff. But that was a very fun game. But this is obviously a bit like Cops and Bobbers, but with very cool cars.
Central to all units, officers require assistance on South Base Drive.
Let's go!
This is a training exercise, but you will be evaluated as this is a live situation.
Okie dokie, well, we better do a good job. Oh! Get out of the way, people! I completely missed that shortcut. Yes, only a police officer in the SCPD can hold a drift like that. Right, there's a shortcut coming up. I'm going to try and take it. Oh, hit the car. Hopefully this shortcut will make up for the 3-second hit. Oh no, I've just taken another 2 seconds now. And I should have taken that other shortcut as well, but hey ho. So I'm not speaking much because I am concentrating. Trying to do it as perfectly as I can. Another little shortcut here. Oh, and I've crashed. Ah. Oh, there's a car. Oh no, I've crashed again. This is not going very well. I'm being really rubbish. Oh, I've crashed. And a car's crashed into me. I've got something to say. Oh! Yes! Successful shortcut. Oh no! Oh no! Didn't know what shortcut that was there. There was like 2 individual shortcuts. For 30 seconds of distinction. And we've got 0.8 miles to go. I don't know if we're going to make it in time. Let's try and take a shortcut. Yeah, no. Oh, yeah. No. Oh, no, not that way. I'm not going to make this now. Definitely not going to make this now. You go, I have to make do with a silver medal. Merit. Oh, not quite a new car yet. Let's have a look, see where we're at. Hot Pursuits, Summit Assault. Let's give that a go. Maybe we'll try the Gran Turismo S. Beautiful car. Yeah, no, that's a police car. Who remembers back in the day on PS2 the old Burnout series? You don't see Burnout anymore now. But on PS2 you had the original Burnout, you had Burnout 2 and Burnout 3. And Burnout Paradise, which I think might be on PS3. But yeah, I really enjoyed those. They were really fun games. A bit like Need for Speed, but you had checkpoints. Well, I've I'll try and take out as many racers as possible.
All units, we have a high priority situation on Fairview Road.
We've got roadblocks, we've got spike stingers, and we've also got EMP to use in this mission. No! And they've just crashed into many people, and I've taken a racer down. Like 2 racers are down by the looks of it. I've got one behind me. Might be able to use the old spike strip for that.
EMP activated, acquiring target lock.
And Stinger as well.
All units, you are cleared to use spike strips. Quick systems are down. Suspect is using a jammer.
That's fine. I have roadblock already, and I've crashed. I'm hoping the roadblock did something. Oh, I've taken out a lot of wooden posts there. Yes, we've busted a TT. Another suspect down. We've only got... Yay, we have achieved pass. EMP in.
Pursuit is headed on to Eagle Crest Road. Roadblock is deployed directly ahead of you.
Going to try and spike strip the Porsche. Oh, no, that went completely wrong.
Deployed.
Yes, going with the block.
All units, local EMPs are now authorized for use. Repeat, EMPs are go.
No, bollocks.
EMP has missed the target. EMP has missed the target. All units, continue pursuit over.
Cool. Where is he? There he is. Get in quickly!
All units, local EMPs
No!
are authorized for use.
Oh, the game tried to screw me over there.
We have the suspect in custody. This thing is over.
There we go, we've done it. Distinction award. All races taken out. That was a successful pursuit. New car. Nice Primera Turbo. I think if there were police cars like this in the real world, maybe there wouldn't be as many reckless drivers. And talking about reckless drivers, we're going to do a race. Well, we've got RX-8, Charger, a bit like a school bus really. Z4, 166 miles an hour, tops, well, 0 to 60 in 4.8. Was that 166? I do like to compare the stats. Let's give the old Z4 a go. I'm thinking a nice blue. Ignore the sound of the fan, as every single PS4 owner knows, it's not a jet engine, that's just a PS4 cooling fan. Ah, the lovely peaceful forest. Oh, I can hear an owl. Oh yes, the lovely peace and quiet, the mountains and the forest and the eagles, probably the bunny rabbits bouncing around. And here come the obs. at 3 a.m. Of course it was at 3 a.m. Let's go. Oh, I feel like this is going to be quite an easy little race, this. Shortcut up here. We'll try and take it if I can. There it is. It's an off-road shortcut, so I don't know how the sports car is going to perform on it. Absolutely made no difference whatsoever. Try shortcut again. No. Oh no, I don't know where I'm going now. No, I've completely cocked it up. Ah! No, what are you doing? I will get your insurance details. I can confirm that the shortcuts did not help at all in this race. Ow! I'm back with my old friend the Evo. Come on, get out the way! Try and slipstream the Porsche. No! So obviously, I quite like it that it resets you. But obviously, if this was real life, that would be you out. Completely out of the game. Right, hopefully. I mean, the finish line is literally right up here. I'm going to try and go. I'll go. No, don't cock it up now. No! No! I could have had the perfect finish there. Oh, well, third place is not too bad. But could have done better. Oh, just a smidge. Oh, we've unlocked a new series. Performance events now available. Lovely. Right, let's have a look for the Coal Bay preview. All inspired. Let's have a look. 911 GT2 RS.
The Porsche engineers knew exactly.
Guards red. Let's have a bit of that. Beat the par times to earn medals. Okie dokie. 2 minutes 37 we've got to beat. And also try and not hit things. So there's a lot of activity for 4 a.m. I'd normally be in bed. Oh! not going to bother taking the shortcut. I don't think shortcuts work very well with cars of this calibre. Oh, oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, there's signs. I wonder if I could try driving my VXR like this. I don't think it'd be very possible, especially in its front wheel drive. Also, I think it'd be very frowned upon. Oh, 7 seconds. I don't think we're going to do it. No, not quite. I was actually 2 seconds behind a distinction. So annoying. Maybe if I took a few shortcuts, would have got there. But we've got a new wanted level, which is normally not a good thing, but it is in this game. Oh, 370Z Roadster. A car that I nearly thought about buying. Very glad I didn't with the fuel crisis now. Nice. Well, I'm going to go and have some donuts and some coffee with the SCPD. And yeah, remember guys, drive safe. Don't do anything silly. And yeah. Don't get 6 points. Bye.